how to get off the Amazon Flex waitlist. So let's say that you no longer want to work there. All you have to do here, as you can see currently I'm on the list, is to click on the question mark in the top right corner and then go into contact support. Now right here from the contact support section, we are just going to wait for it to load. Then you want to select account, and right here we are going to click on chat. So basically once you click on chat, you will explain that you would like to close your Amazon Flex application, waitlist application, and then they will further assist you with that. On the main page here, the waitlist, you also are given the option of changing your zip code every 90 days. So if you get accepted or anything like that, you will receive an email and you can begin working. But if you want to just get off the waitlist, then you will contact support, explain that you would no longer like to apply, and then they will help you. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.